Good afternoon, everyone. This is our group reporting for week 14. FAL 1965 Convention on Facilitation of International Maritime Traffic aims to simplify and standardize international maritime procedure. Its goal is to reduce delays and enhance the overall efficiency of global maritime traffic by establishing common standard for the documentation requirement in customs, immigration, and port health. The convention seeks to streamline the movement of ships, cargo, and passengers through international ports. The FAL 1965 encourages the use of electronic submissions to replace paper-based forms, thereby reducing administrative burdens and accelerating the clearance process. While the focus is on simplifying procedures, the convention also ensures that the safety and security are not compromised. Ports and require to maintain high standards while improving the efficiency of operation and reducing delays.
LMC 1976 London Convention on Limitation of Liability for Maritime Claims focuses on limiting the financial liability of ship owners and operators for specific maritime claims, such as those arising from collisions, pollution, and personal injury. The convention establishes liability caps based on the tonnage of the ship, providing a predictable financial framework for the ship owners in the event of a claim. Under the LLMC, claims are typically subject to a time bar of 3 years, which limits the period during which claims can be brought. The convention was amended in 1996 to address inflation and the increased size of modern vessels, raising the liability limits to ensure that they remain adequate for contemporary shipping needs. These amendments reflect the evolving nature of the shipping industry and the need to keep pace with global economic conditions.
Marine insurance covers a wide range of risks associated with the ownership, operation, and transportation of vessels and cargo. It provides financial protection against damage to the ship, loss of cargo, and third-party liability such as pollution or personal injury. The primary types of marine insurance are hull insurance, which covers physical damage to the vessel; cargo insurance, which protects goods and transit and protection; and indemnity insurance, which covers a variety of liabilities including environmental damage and crew injury.
Marine liability holds ship owner responsible for incidents such as accident, pollution, and injuries to crew members or passengers. International conventions such as the LLMC 1976 allow ship owners to limit their liability for certain types of claim based on vessel tonnage. However, in cases of gross negligence, liability may be unlimited, meaning that ship owner could be held fully responsible for all damages resulting from the incident. A protest in maritime law is a formal declaration made by the master of a ship document an event that could lead to legal liability or disputes. This could include accident, bad weather, or other unforeseen circumstances that may have contributed to an accident. By filing a protest, the ship's master helps preserve legal rights and provides important evidence that could be used in claims or litigation to defend against potential liability.